Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Skullcandy Dime with your laptop or PC using Bluetooth. And to do this, first let's open Bluetooth settings on our PC, click on the Start, here type in the search Bluetooth or go through the settings manually. Type in Bluetooth. Enter Bluetooth and other devices settings. Right here, make sure that the Bluetooth is on. You might as well try to restart it. Then click on Add Device. Select Bluetooth. And now move on to the box with your Skullcandy Dime. Remove them from the case. Now they should be powered off automatically, but you might as well try to check if they are actually powered off by powering them on again and put them in your ears. You will hear power on. That means they were powered off and you will need to disable them. It's quite complicated, but let's try it. So mine are powered on now and we need to disable them. So let's do this again. Hold these two buttons till you hear power off. Now again, power them on by holding these buttons for 4 seconds. You'll enter pairing mode shortly after. And you can see the LED lamp right here on the right one, which should flash in a blue and red light, and that means they're in the pairing mode like this. And now you should see them in list of devices. Click on Dime Black, they should connect. Now only thing left to do is to go to the sound settings on our PC. So enter sound mixer options. Here's the output device, which needs to be set as Dime Black, and now they should function well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.